How to download Telegram on your desktop. What is up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily download Telegram on your desktop. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our new videos. Now let us get right into the video. First thing first, you'll have to open up your web browser and then simply search for Telegram, or you can just type in Telegram download and hit enter. You'll see the very first link from telegram.org, desktop.telegram.org, to download Telegram for your desktop. Or you can just search for Telegram, and here you'll find the link to download Telegram desktop. Just open up this link. Now here you are going to tap on Get Telegram for Windows, or if you have any other platforms, that will be available here as well. So just tap on download and the installation file will start downloading right here. Just wait for the download to be complete and your Telegram setup will be downloaded. Now just open up this app and it will start installing Telegram to your PC. So just open up the exe file, select the language, and then click on OK. And now choose where you want to download Telegram, and then click on next, and Telegram will be downloaded on your desktop. So that's pretty much it. After you have installed Telegram, you can just enter your number there and then log into your account. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.